today's video, I'll show you how to create a perfect 2x2 picture in Canva, ideal for passport photos, ID cards, or any project that requires precise sizing. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Canva tutorials every week. Let's jump right in. First, open canva.com and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, click the Create a Design button in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, choose Custom Size. This is where you'll set your exact dimensions. Now, you'll notice Canva usually defaults to pixels, but since we need an accurate physical size, click the drop-down beside px and switch it to inches. Then, in both the width and height boxes, type 2, that's 2 inches by 2 inches. Once that's done, click Create New Design and Canva will open a perfectly square blank canvas, size exactly 2 inches. Now it's time to add your picture. In the left panel, click Uploads and upload your photo from your computer or phone. Once it appears, drag and drop it onto the canvas. You can resize or reposition it by dragging the corners until it fits perfectly within the square. If you're creating a passport or ID photo, make sure your face is centered and evenly spaced. Canva's alignment guides will help with that. Once everything looks perfect, click the download button at the top right corner and select PNG or JPG for printing or sharing. And that's it. You've just created a perfect 2x2 picture in Canva. Simple, precise, and ready to use anywhere. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick Canva tips. See you in the next video.